FastMoon Project Review, Extremely Fast Anonymous Yield and Liquidity Generation Protocol. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to discuss and review about a new project called FastMoon. But before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more information about cryptocurrencies. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notification for each video we upload.
Want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Now, let's get back to the video. Let us understand what FastMoon actually is. And how does it work? FastMoon is built to be a fast autonomous yield and liquidity generation protocol developed on the Binance Smart Chain. Users will be able to obtain more tokens by simply holding their FastMoon tokens in their wallets. A portion of the transaction fees will be distributed to all token holders, while the other part will be added to the liquidity pool and burned later on. Being one of the newest deflationary BEP20 protocols on the market, providing a liquidity generation mechanism, token burning mechanism, static rewards, and transaction limiter on purchases. So, how can you benefit from FastMoon? By earning token rewards as a FastMoon holder by simply holding your tokens. From each transaction that happens on FastMoon, Binance, 4% will go towards incentivizing all token holders. The deflationary mechanism of the protocol will raise FastMoon token price. A very large portion of over 47% of tokens from the total supply has been taken out of circulation and burnt. The scarcity effect drives the token price up, but how does that actually work? On each transaction, the fee that is charged is 8% of the total sum. The fee is equally distributed to token holders and the liquidity pool. This means that 4% goes to holders and 4% are auto-locked and burnt. FastMoon has two features. First, deflationary all the time. 47% of the total supply after launch and set it straight to the black hole address. The liquidity pool of FastMoon is growing constantly. 4% of tokens from each transactions done with FastMoon is added to the liquidity pool by transforming them into FasTMOON LP tokens, with ownership of the tokens renounced by sending them to the burn address. The second, auto-burning liquidity. 4% of each transaction is added to the liquidity pool and burnt forever. This contributes to less volatility and a continuously increasing price floor. FastMoon is and will always remain as a forever deflationary token. The protocol has been audited by a prominent external provider who tested the security of the protocol. Unlike the majority of the projects, FastMoon is run by community members and top holders, and all expenses including marketing are funded by top holders. Today's FastMoon price is 0.0000001, which is down 1% over the last 24 hours. FastMoon's market cap is unknown. 24-hour FastMoon volume is $3,061. It has a market cap rank of 1,882. FastMoon is traded on two exchanges, with the top exchange being CoinTiger, $6,388, and PancakeSwap, $2,022. FastMoon had an all-time high of 0.00000003 16 days ago. Over the last day, FastMoon has had 0% transparent volume and has been trading on three active markets, with its highest volume trading pairs being TCH, $6,388, and BNB, $2,022. The price of the token has been going up on a daily basis on KuCoin due to the deflationary mechanism in place and is expected to continue at an even higher rate. What are the goals of FastMoon for Q2 and Q3 2021? FastMoon is currently working on the creation of a FastMoon DEX and a staking platform. In addition, the The token will be listed very soon on a top-tier centralized exchange. Additional token listing on large informational portals is on the agenda, and the community will be notified as soon as it happens. So now the question is FastMoon legit, and is there any risk for investing in it? Well, I currently would say it has risk if you're planning on investing in it. But some people are saying on Reddit that FastMoon is just similar SafeMoon, but the FastMoon is more safer and faster. Cryptocurrencies are often highly volatile, and on current evidence, SafeMoon doesn't look to be much different. Even as its value grows, it's still prone to big slides, one of which already occurred in April. While that's par for the course with a lot of investments, SafeMoon has also been compared to a Ponzi scheme, as any profits you could make in the future are based on someone paying more for the tokens than you did further down the line. The selling fee and redistribution model could also be said to encourage early adopters, who would then gain the most from subsequent sales. Cryptocurrency investors and influencer Lark Davis warned against SafeMoon on Twitter, saying, "Remember, just because you make money off of a Ponzi does not change the fact that it is a Ponzi." Davis also compared SafeMoon to BitConnect, a cryptocurrency that shut down in 2018 after 2 U.S. state-level securities regulators publicly warned investors of its similarities to a Ponzi scheme. There is no doubt that the project of FastMoon is simply gorgeous, but I would recommend you wait for a few months before investing in it, as there is a possibility that it may go down a couple times in the next few months. That's it for today, guys. To get more information about FastMoon or any other cryptocurrencies, stay tuned to our channel. We'll see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye.